Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see basic string operation. In previous video you have seen how to create a string and store a string in Python. Okay, so in today lectures we are going to see basic string operations. So actually what does operation means? Okay, so on a string what are operation we can perform? Okay, suppose if you want to add to string, or want to count the number of character in a string, or how many times a particular string is repeated in a sentence, like this, or we can compare two strings. These are the basic operation which we can perform the string. Let's see one by one. Okay, now in this video we are going to cover two uh, three operations. Okay, first is concatenation, repetition and length. Okay, so if we want to concatenate, okay, concatenate means joins to string, so we can use the plus operator. Okay, so let's start the id python dot if you don't have this id, you can download it from the python.org. Okay, install it. Now I am going to maximize this one. Okay, so here I am going to create one variable called a. Okay, and I'm going to give one name to it. I'm going to assign one string, suppose Ranbir, Ranvir. Okay, now I'm going to create another variable b. Inside that I'm going to store one another character called Kumar, Kumar. Okay, sorry, string. Now I have created two variable a and b. Okay, a is holding the Ranbir string and b is holding the Kumar string. Now I want to join these two both. Okay, suppose what I have to do, I am going to use the print function. Okay, now I'm going to write a plus, and for space I am going to use the double quote and plus b. Let's see what actually it's how what we are going to get. Before that we will need to save it. So since we are concatenating we are checking the operation. Okay, operation dot py. Py is a Python extension. Okay, now I'm going to run this one. So see, what you are seeing is Ranbir Kumar is got concatenated. Okay, so to concatenate we are using the plus operator, and this is used for putting a space between the two character two string. Okay, so you can see here, just let me open it again. Okay, yeah, here. So this is how we can concatenate it to a string. The next thing which we are going to see is string repetitions. Okay, for this we use this operator. Okay, so how you are going to see now, I'm going to keep as it is. I am going to create one variable again, message. Okay, inside this message I am going to store a string good morning. Okay, good morning, sorry, morning, good morning. Now I want to repeat good morning multiple times, so what I have to do, print. Okay, and I'm going to read that variable message message. Okay, use that multiplication symbol. Okay, and or asterisk. After that, how many time you want to repeat that message? Okay, I suppose I want to repeat that message 3 times. So what I'm going to do, I am putting like this. Okay, now I am going to again save it, and from F5 I am going to run it. You see, good morning one time, again good morning second time, and again good morning third time. So by this we can repeat a string multiple time. Okay, so using the string symbol. Okay, now third thing what we are going to check here is to find the length of a string. Okay, So for that we use the len function. Okay, len function. Now you see, if I am going to repeat same thing here, I am going to print it. Okay, I am going to remove this one. Yeah, I am going to remove this one. Okay, leave it. I am going to create one more variable. Okay, now you see I am going to create one variable, any variable called name equal to university, UNIVERSITY, university. Now I am going to print print, then use the function called len for knowing the length and write that variable inside which your string is got stored. So now just I am going to save it, control S, and run this one. Okay, now you see, here you can see this one is for this operation concatenation, this one is for repetition, and this one is returning the length of a string. You see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in university it's how many character is there? 10 character is there. So it is giving the length of a variable or length of a string. Okay, how many data is stored into that character is stored into that variable. Okay, so this is the third operation which we can perform. Like this there are various. Now how we can compare a string. Okay, so for using for comparison, we will see in like next video. Okay, so this I hope till now you have understood that what are basic string operation. That's what is string concatenation. Concatenation, for this we use the plus operator. String repetition, for this you use the this operator. Okay, and for string, knowing the string length, we use the len function. Okay, so in next video we will see that string comparison operation and membership operation. Okay, and also we will see that indexing, slicing, and the rest of this topic. Okay, so please like my channel and subscribe and share with your friend. I hope you have understood. Thank you and have a good day.